Hello teacher. Are you looking for a convenient way to explain a concept to a student without having to be physically present? Try the voice notes feature on WhatsApp. Firstly, note that the voice recording feature will differ in an Android and an iPhone. To use voice notes in WhatsApp, follow these steps. The first step is to open WhatsApp and select the chat with your students. Then, to send a voice note, tap the microphone icon next to the text input field. This will open the voice recording interface. And hold the microphone icon to record your voice note. You can even pause the recording by dragging the microphone icon to the top. Lastly, release the microphone icon to send the voice recording. You can also drag the microphone icon to the left to discard the recording. To use voice notes feature in WhatsApp web in your laptop, follow these steps. First step is to click on the microphone icon in the bottom left corner of the chat window. When the microphone icon turns red, start speaking. You can pause and start the recording. After you are done recording your explanation, you have to click on the send button and WhatsApp will send the voice message for you. To cancel the voice message, click on the dustbin icon. This can be a quick and efficient way to explain a concept, especially if you are unable to meet the student in person. You can also use the voice notes feature to provide feedback or clarification on a student's work. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.